Welcome to OLOPRV. I'm Jonathan,
I'm Curtis.
and we are a great couple that love traveling and rebuilding vehicles to be off-grid, and because we want to always be out and about in nature, and that's really what we thrive to be.
Right.
We decided to do our first self-made conversion RV out of a box truck.
Right.
This is what Curtis does. He's really good at building and those kind of things. And I'm kind of learning. I've been learning for a while now.
Yeah, been doing good.
And trying to put my hands and get my hands dirty. So we love building together now, and that's the main thing. And we...
Lost your train of thought, didn't you?
I did.
So Johnny would come home from work, and he'd like all excited about what I had done that day. And some days it would be, in his eyes, nothing. And honestly, I'd worked all day. And some days I'd have worked half the day, put up a couple walls, and everything would change. So he now understands that some things take longer than others, but he's enjoying it now. He's 100, he's all in. So we both work on it equally.
Later on, we got a Class C just to get on the road a little faster. It was pretty much redone, but we had some rot. So we actually did another little conversion on that to get it, have a back porch and everything up like that.
Made it very cool, but still not functionable.
And to do something crazy, and so we got a schoolie.
Yep.
And it was a school bus that we self-built together this time, because I wasn't working at that time, and that was around COVID. And we actually had a really good time. We did that about 2 years, and we made it completely off-grid. We had basically 150 gallons of water, 2,310 watts
Of
solar, 600 amp hours of 24 volt batteries, and we really love it, but we sold it. And so now we are back with the box truck, and we are excited to show you and take you along our journey, and all the fun stuff like me learning how to use tools,
learning to weld,
and there's so many things that I'm learning to do now, and it's because we push each other. Or actually, he already kind of knows everything, but he's pushing me to learn more, and so I'll have some skills as well, because I've never done anything but wait tables.
Yeah. We just passed 40 plus videos, and it's a lot of work, but Johnny enjoys it. So please join us as we convert Boxy into an off-grid, self-contained RV.
So subscribe to OLOPRV and join our journey.
Thank you.